Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a super easy trick to change lowercase letters to uppercase in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. This will only take a few minutes. You've probably seen something like this. Some cell got uppercase, some cell got mixture uppercase and lowercase, and some all in lowercase. Maybe it was imported from somewhere, or just typed that way. But you want it to look clean and professional, in all caps. No worries, Excel has a built-in function that can do this in seconds. Just use the upper function. Here's how. 1. Click on the cell next to your first lowercase entry. 2. Type this =sign upper, then select the source cell. After that, close the bracket. 3. Hit enter and boom, your text is now in all caps. 4. Copy the formula down using fill handle, or you can just double clicking at the edge of the active cell. Easy peasy. Okay, if you want to replace the original column, here's a quick tip. 1. Select all the new uppercase text. 2. Right-click and choose copy. 3. Then right-click again on the original column. 4. Choose paste special values. Now your lowercase data is officially gone and replaced with plain uppercase text. And that's it. One simple formula and your Excel sheet looks 10 times better. If you found this helpful, give it a like. Share it with a friend or subscribe for more quick Excel tips. Got other Excel questions? Drop them in the comment, I might cover yours next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.